Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 39 of our playlist JavaScript function 0 to advanced. Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn about memoization. Okay, what is this? Memoization. Is there any spelling wrong? No, there is no spelling wrong. This is not memorization, it is memoization. Okay, so what is memoization in JavaScript? Memoization is an optimization technique that store the result of expensive function calls and return the cached result when the same inputs occur again. So what's the mean of this? It's mean like when you call the function one time, it will come in the memory and it will take some memory. When you call again the same function, it will again come into the memory and will take some space. If you will call a function fourth time, it will take some memory and it will run like that. So memoization is a technique. If you're calling one function with same parameter and if you're again calling the same function with same parameter, so it optimizes the performance, how it will store that function in a cache. If you are calling that function again with same parameter, so it will not go to the memory. It will give you the result from the cache. I know you are not understanding right now. Let's understand by the code. Okay, so what is the key point? See the key point. Great for performance optimization. Avoid the recompilation of results. Okay, so what's the mean of this? We will understand from the scratch. Okay, so I have two files, index.html and app.js. Inside the index.html, I linked my app.js. Okay, so here is my app.js. Let me quickly write the test message whether it's working or not. Okay, so console.log and hello world. Okay, and I already started my live server. Okay, you can open it with live server and you can go to the Chrome browser and you can press Ctrl Shift J in order to get this console output. Okay, so my file is working perfectly. Okay, so I will teach you okay, sorry, mom. Okay, the spelling is a little hard. Memoization. Okay, so what is the correct spelling? Memoization. So I will teach you memoization. So for example, let me create an add function. Okay, like what is the benefit of memoization and what's the disadvantage of memoization? We will see. So first see the disadvantage. We created a function, we are calling the function. Okay, simple. Calling function. Okay, this is our calling function. If you're passing two arguments, right, it should it should take it should accept two parameters. That is fine also. Okay, so what we are doing, we are writing here let result equals to a plus b. Okay, and we are writing here console.log and we are printing result. Okay, so what it will print? 30. Okay, again I am calling me, right? Again I am calling the same function with same name again and again. Okay, so this is printing the same output. So like it is taking one memory, it is taking another memory, it is taking other memory space. So how many memory it is taking? This is taking 5 memory space, right? It is taking 5 memory space, but they are doing the same thing. They are doing the same thing, means same parameter we are passing on, and we are adding the same values, and the result is same also. So this is not the optimized way. This is not the optimized way. So how we can make it optimized? So in order to make it optimized, we will use memoization technique. So memoization technique says like you should create an cache object. You should create a cache object. Okay, so this is my cache, or we can say this is what my temporary memory. Okay, so I created a cache object. So it says if you will get the same parameter when you're calling function, if you are getting same parameter, store that parameter in the cache. Okay, so your parameter will work as a key and the result will work as a value. Okay, if you will again call the function, same function, so it will not call the function, it will search in the cache memory. If the same parameter is present in the cache memory, it will directly give you the result from the cache. It will reduce the cost of calling. How? Let's see how we can store in the cache. So what I will do, so here I am doing calculation. After calculation, what I will do, I will say cache. Okay, inside the cache I will store the key. and inside the key I will store the result. Okay, because in object we store key and values. So value is what? Result. Then what is the key? Key is our parameters. So, but we didn't create any key. So how we will create the key? So we can create the key like this. So we will write here let key. Okay, and we will say a plus comma p. Okay, I mean comma p. You might ask me like, why are you writing like this? Because this is what our parameters. See, we have a means this 10. After that, what we have? We have a comma symbol, which is nothing but a string. Comma is also a string. Na? So this is what string, and string we write inside the single quote. And then we have the second value. So second value will store in the B. So this together, two parentheses is known as one key. So that's why we are creating key. And these two parameters we will keep inside the cache. And this result we will keep as a value. So what we are doing, we are saying key. Key means this 10 and 20. And value means result, means addition. And we are storing inside the cache. Okay. So see one thing. I'm calling. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, so what we are doing, we are calling add function and we are like performing addition and we are printing and we are storing in cache. Okay, let's see the result. What is the result? 13. But how we'll get to know whether it's storing in cache or not? Okay, let's print. Let's print what? Let's print console.log. What print? Let's print cache. Not 10. Simply print cache. So what you will see, the output is 30, or let me write here precisely like addition. Okay, addition is 30, and in cache what we stored this is what key. Okay, 10 and 20 is key and this is value we stored. Okay, suppose I am calling this function again. I'm calling this function again with same parameter. So it will again store my function or not? This cache will store my function or not? See, it is storing only one time. We are calling our function twice, but our cache memory storing is one time. So what's the mean? Means inside the object, you don't create multiple keys. Okay, here our key is same. So that's why it is storing one time. Suppose if you are calling this another time. Okay, so it's still the same. Like only one value, one key and value. Okay, so if I change the value, if I say here 2 and 3. So now see, now my parameter is different. So then it will store another value. Then it will store another value. If you're calling for the same value, your cache memory will not store the same value again and again. Okay, but if you will change the parameters, if something new, if new key is there, then only it will store. See, it is storing two values. One key is there, second key is there. Although we are calling with this key, thus add function multiple times, but it is storing one time. Okay, so this is how we optimize the performance. Okay, so this is all about storing. But what is about retrieving? Like it is doing addition. Okay, it is doing addition when we are calling. So our data is inside this. So what we will do before doing the addition, we will check. Okay, please try to give attention, everyone. We will check if our memory containing the result or not. We will check through the key. If whatever parameters we are passing for addition, and we will check in our cache memory whether this key is present or not. Key means this value is present or not. If it is present, then return it. Okay, if it is present, then what you do? Just return it. Okay, return it. If it is not present, suppose if it is not present, then only do the addition. Right, then only do the addition. And if you are doing addition, means this is the new key and it stored this new key inside the cache. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, fine. All right. So let me see. So we are getting result 30 and we are getting result 5. Okay. So how many times you are calling? If you are calling the same, if you are calling the add function for the same key, means same parameters again and again, so it will not respond. It will show you the addition one time. Why? Because we are doing useless thing. You are sending same parameter and asking same result. This is like it's decrease the performance. Okay, let's say if you will change the value, it means if you will change the key, then only it will give you the new result. Okay, so what will happen? It will increase your optimization. Okay, if you will change in parameter, then only it will give the new result. Otherwise, it will give the same result. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this concept. I hope you learn something like what is memoization. So it is a technique to optimize our code. It reduces the like same code again and again. If you're calling a function with same parameters again and again, so what's the point? It will decrease the optimization. Okay, so it increases the optimization by storing the same number of parameters as a key and result as a value in the cache, and it return cache data directly. Okay, so this is how we can how we can mo- this is how we can optimize our code. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you have any doubt or any issue in understanding this concept, you can write in comment. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video.